In this Elementor tutorial video, I will show how to easily duplicate or clone a page in Elementor with just one click. Okay, so you can see over here, this is a page made with Elementor. Okay, and what I can do, I can go to the backend of the website of this website. In order to make this, if I go to the pages, and you see that you see this is the page, this is the front page over here, and you see these options over here, but there is no easy option to duplicate or clone the page. In order to add this option, we simply need to go to plugins and add a plugin, and simply type on the search duplicate page. Okay, then simply install this plugin duplicate page. Duplicate post pages and custom post types, custom post easily using single click. Install this. Okay, it is installed. Then simply activate this. Great. Now go to pages, all pages. And over here, if I hover now, you see that you get this option, duplicate this. Simply click on this. You see that there another page is created, legacy insurance, but it is in draft mode. So simply click on this. It is loading. Okay, legacy insurance. So I can simply name it legacy insurance updated, and I can publish this. Right, I can edit this page with Elementor. You see, this is the exact same page with the same contents, everything same, all the page settings are same. You don't need to make any changes. Just simply click clone this page with one click and start working. Okay, and for example, I can click on this container and make this a different color. I can make this orange, like this one over here, orange color, and I can publish the changes. I can close this. Let me go to the back end of the website again. Right, then I can go to pages, all pages, and you see this is the two pages. This is the original page and this is the clone page. And if I view this, this is how it looks. Right, and this is the clone page over here. Let me view this page, and this is the clone page. Let's scroll down. You see this is the orange color over here. Right, so you see that within a few minutes, within a few seconds actually, how I cloned a page, uh, Elementor page with a one click, with a single click, and I also made the changes. So this is great if you are doing A/B testing, or if you want to say other kind of test, then this is great. Or you can test out pages with different designs, and you can do it in a quick time. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.